Hello everybody, my name is Alesh Eisner and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk, the channel about Canadian investing and personal finance. Please like and subscribe. I record 2 videos per week, so make sure you ring the notification bell to get notified each time one comes out. Today we're going to talk about leverage. Leverage means borrowing. Leverage multiplies the ups and downs of an investment. You can use it for real estate, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or pretty much to buy any other type of asset. Let's take a look at an investment without leverage. A $10,000 investment makes $1,000 in profit, getting a return of 10% in my example. But if you only invest 1,000 and then you borrow 9,000, the rate of return, assuming that you can pay the interest on a loan, is now 100%, improving it by a factor of 10, allowing you to use less capital and use your original 10,000 in 10 investments instead of one. This is why real estate works. You can borrow money to multiply your returns since banks will lend you money for real estate. But beware of your investment losing money since the multiplier works in the other direction too. Borrowing to invest multiplies your gains and losses. It's up to you if you want to use it. I'm comfortable with it and will buy something that pays higher dividends than the interest on the loan, for example. Not everybody wants to do that, and you should start out investing with cash. People seem comfortable getting a mortgage because they think real estate is safe. Tell that to the US homeowners in 2009, by the way. But most people would prefer to have no mortgage. A friend of mine didn't want to get a HELOC on his paid-off house because that's where his family lives, and he's just not comfortable with the loan putting his house in jeopardy. You have to respect everyone's risk profile. In a trading account, you can sign up, or you automatically get, a margin account, which allows you a form of leverage to buy stocks. Your brokerage will allow you to borrow against the value of your current stocks in the portfolio, giving you additional buying power. So you can buy extra stocks, or in my case, sell put options without having the cash to cover them in my account at the time of sale, which is pretty nice. My Q-Trade brokerage margin policies are shown here, so you get an idea of how much buying power a brokerage gives you based on your current assets. So stocks trading at $5 a share or over will give you a 70% margin or loan off of that asset. Stocks trading between $3 and $4.99 will give you a 50% loan against the value of that asset, and anything trading under $3 will give you nothing. So how much interest will I be charged when I'm using a margin account, you may ask? It actually wasn't that high, currently about 2 to 3%, which I have to confess I thought would be higher. So Q-Trade says the interest rate charged on borrowed funds changes over time and depends on the debit balance and the type of account you have. When you borrow funds to invest in income-producing assets in a non-registered account, the interest costs are tax deductible. The unpleasant part of a margin account is a margin call. That's when your buying power drops below zero, meaning the assets you have in the account likely dropped in value and no longer cover the debts that you have. You need to sell assets to produce cash or transfer in enough cash to bring your buying power to a positive value, or the brokerage will sell some of your assets for you. A margin call, of course, comes at the worst time because if prices just dropped, you want to be buying, not selling. To summarize, leverage and margin are ways you can borrow to invest. This adds risk to your investing, but allows you to multiply your gains, which of course are the only results any of us get. But the losses, should they somehow happen, will also be multiplied. So make sure you understand what you are doing and be comfortable with the borrowing. As usual, if you have any requests on what you would like me to cover in future videos, please put that into the comment section. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and may you have a profitable day.